Welcome to this guided meditation to quiet the mind. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close and begin to turn your attention inwards. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. One more time, inhale deeply and gently exhale. One more time, breathe in the calm. And as you breathe out, you're exhaling all tension. Now let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. There's no need to control it, just follow it like a gentle wave. To achieve complete stillness of the mind, I begin by taking slow, deep breaths and gently closing my eyes. Breathing deeply helps calm the nervous system and bring the focus inwards. Now, I'd like to invite you to imagine yourself lying on soft grass under an open sky. Feel the earth beneath you, supporting you. Above you, a bird glides freely through the sky. Notice how it circles, glides, and flows with the wind. Let yourself get fully absorbed in this image, as if time has paused and there's nothing else but the presence of that bird. Its graceful movements reminds us that we too can flow and let go. If you prefer, picture yourself sitting by a warm bonfire instead. See the flames dancing and flickering, ever changing, yet comforting. Feel the warmth on your skin. Hear the crackling sound. Let the rhythm of the fire draw you in. Everything else begins to fade into the background. There's only stillness now. You've entered a quiet space where thoughts slow down and your mind gently settles. If a thought comes in, don't worry. Simply acknowledge it and return to the image or to your breath. Now silently repeat, I am here. I am calm. I am present. I am here. I am calm. I am present. Allow peace to wash over you. From the top of your head to your toes, feel your body soften, your heart open, and your mind rest. Take one more breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the space around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this stillness with you as you move through your day. And remember, no matter what's happening outside, you can always return to this inner calm. All it takes is one breath. Until next time, love and light.